Okay, so what we're gonna need for this robot is a 1x1 barrel, a red clear button, that's 1x1, two 1x1 grays that are not white, that are light color but not see-through. We're gonna need a 2x2 plate, one on each side, and a 1x1 on the one side, and a bottom piece on this side, and these two sides. This side. Only these two sides are the bottoms. So what we're gonna do, and also these will be used for treads. So first, we take these. We take a gray 1x1 dot and push it into there. And do the same thing for the other side. And then those are done. We put this piece with the one dot on top. And also, we take this piece. That's going to be the cannon. And place it there. And then we put this 1x1 dot that's red and white here. And then we take this one and put it here. And take the other one, same thing for the other side. Then done. You have your own little miniature tank.